Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to display and hide options on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the settings option in the upper left corner of the screen and then scroll down till you find this display and hide options. As you can see, there are two categories, calendar and hide options. In the calendar you can display the date format that you can select here, which date format you use. And you can also select the first day of the week, such as Sunday, Monday, or Saturday. In the hide option sections, you have the symptoms that you can hide if you tap on these options. So if you want to hide, for example, the anxiety symptom, tap on this button and click on hide next to it. If you want to edit the name of the symptom, just simply tap on the pencil icon, delete it, and type in anything else that you want to. If you go back, you can also hide the mood options here: ovulation, pregnancy, prediction, intercourse. Here you can customize the display whether you would like to hide any of these options. And then if you go back, you can also select these options concerning the forum. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.